lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zay, and today I'm showing you how to apply this rice water treatment to grow your hair longer. This rice water treatment is an exclusive recipe, a part of my growth training guide that gives you an in-depth breakdown and routine on how to grow 1 inch plus of hair a month like I do, and this is one of the recipes in that guide to help you hit that milestone. I'm restarting my hair growth journey and want to hit thigh length, so I thought why not use the recipes in my guide to do so. Also, there will be more exclusive recipes coming to all those who bought the guide because I have some new recipes I developed and will be using to hit this goal, and I want you all to follow along with me. So everyone who bought it already, keep an eye on your email inbox because you will get these new recipes at no additional cost. And for those of you who haven't grabbed it yet, be sure to do so now while it's on sale, because once the new recipes hit the guide, the price will return to its original price. So first, you're going to take your hair down and remind yourself how cute you are. Then you're going to take your spray bottle with warm water and completely dampen your hair and scalp. The warm water helps open up your cuticles a bit so the nutrients and moisture from the treatment can penetrate your hair shaft, even though this treatment is mostly all about the scalp. We'll get to that later. So you want to spray your hair, scalp, and ends with this warm water and begin massaging your scalp to get the blood flowing. Next, you're going to grab your rice water treatment, give it a little shake, and begin applying it all over. You're going to spray it all over your hair, but you really want to focus on your scalp for this step. This is because what's going to accelerate your hair growth is the nutrients from the rice water penetrating your scalp and entering your hair follicles, so they will be equipped with the vital vitamins and minerals to produce longer hair at a faster rate. Hair grows by the blood vessels in your scalp, nourishing your hair follicles by carrying essential nutrients to them. We can accelerate this process of hair growth by using topical treatments that promote a healthy scalp and that also gives our hair follicles additional essential nutrients. After you get the treatment all over your scalp and massage it in a little bit, you're going to invert your head and spray your hair down. I do this because I find that I get a more even coating of the treatment all over my hair than if I were standing upright. This just allows me to easily spray my hair evenly from root to tip, so I definitely recommend this. And this is new for me, but while your head is still inverted, you're going to massage everything in for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Massaging while inverting your head is doubly increasing the blood flow to your hair follicles. And like I said earlier, blood flow is crucial to hair growth. So inverting and massaging at the same time is a great way to accelerate your hair growth. So I'm going to be doing this each time I use the spray. And speaking of, I will use this 3 times a week and follow the exact same steps I showed you each time. And that's it. If you want to go in with a oil that has additional hair growth accelerating ingredients in it, you can feel free to do so. This treatment is actually gentle enough to work with other treatments. I won't be because there's already oil in this treatment that I'm using, and so I will just be wearing my hair down for 10 or so minutes to let my hair dry because it is wet before I style it, and that is also what I recommend for you to do as well if you cannot simply just wear your hair down. And the reason why I recommend you letting your hair dry a bit is because you don't want your hair to develop that mildewy smell. I went ahead and styled my hair into the super cute ponytail that I've been wearing my hair in ever since I put these braids in. And yes, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Drop any of your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to get to them. And do not forget to shop this 50% off sale on the guide, because I guarantee you will not want to miss out on what we have in that guide and the new recipes that we have coming to it, okay? I am on a journey to thigh length, and I'm confident I will achieve that. And I want you all to do it with us, because Sierra will also be on the journey to growing her hair longer as well. So until next time, lovelies, bye.